Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT the right way to write a great cover letter, and not just any cover letter, but one that actually sounds like you and grabs attention. You know, most people type basic prompts like write me a cover letter for this job. But guess what? That is why a lot of AI generated cover letters sound robotic and super generic. If you want cover letters that actually gets interviews, it's all about how you ask ChatGPT. Come, let me show you. Open ChatGPT on your computer, and then you will go to the job listing you are applying for and copy the full job description. Everything from the responsibilities to the required skill. Here, we are copying the job description from LinkedIn. So we have this row here. You copy everything here. And then you come back to ChatGPT. You're going to paste it here. Open your resume and copy your relevant experience, achievements, and skills that match the job that you are applying for. So here, we copy your resume all the way down. Make sure that what you're copying matches the job we are applying for. So you're going to come back here to ChatGPT and paste the resume. Now, in ChatGPT, after you've pasted the job description and your resume, then we have to now write this prompt. Write a personalized attention-grabbing cover letter tailored to the job description above, using my resume information. Make it sound human and conversational, not generic or robotic. Start with a strong opening and focus on how I can bring value to this company. Make sure that your prompting states clearly what you want, so we don't get any generic cover letter. I can also add this prompt to the comment section if you need it. Go ahead and hit enter. So ChatGPT is now going to give us what we've asked it to do. Here you see that it has written a cover letter for us, and this is not going to be the end of it, because you will go ahead and edit the details and add maybe the company name and mention some specific things that you love about the role that has not been added here, because definitely you will need to read this cover letter and also go back to that job description to make sure that what it has written is clearly what is required of you. Do you understand? After you've reviewed this and make sure that it's good to go, there you have it. Just like that, you've got a cover letter that stands out from the crowd with no stress. And it also saves you time. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more ChatGPT tips for job hunting. And I'll also drop the prompt I used for this cover letter in the video description.